AI Explained X. Let's dive in. This isn't magic, it's math. And honestly, it's already helping you beat writer's block, finding that one perfect song you can't stop playing. And yeah, even making sure you get home safe. This is artificial intelligence. So what is it? Think of it this way. AI isn't just software that follows orders. Nah, it's way smarter than that. It learns, it adapts, and get this, it makes its own decisions. Pretty wild, right? But here's the thing, it doesn't think like we do. No joy, no sadness. It just learns from data and responds. Instead, it's a master at finding patterns. It sifts through the noise and figures out what comes next. That seamless face unlock on your phone, that's AI. How Netflix just knows you're into sci-fi. Yep, that's AI too. Gmail finishing your sentence, like it's actually reading your mind. Yep, that's AI. So at the end of the day, what is it? A brutally effective pattern recognizer. You show it 10,000 cat photos, and pretty soon, it just knows what a cat's supposed to look like. It doesn't actually know what a cat is, the purring, the attitude, the whole vibe. It just knows that this specific arrangement of pixels has a 92% chance of being called a cat. Old school software was simple. It just follows one rule. If this happens, then do that. Like a light switch, on or off. But AI is different. You don't hand it a rulebook, you give it a library. It studies the examples, learns the patterns, and teaches itself. And that's the secret sauce. That's how artificial intelligence can dream up an image of a cat in space, or even write a poem. Is it creative, or just the world's best student of patterns? But here's the reality check. Most AI today is narrow. It can beat you at chess, a grandmaster level move every time. But it can't even make you toast. We don't have general AI, a machine that can reason, create, and think like a human. Not yet. So, no, today's AI isn't conscious. It's not alive. Think of it like a mirror. It can only reflect the world we show it, flaws and all. But here's what it can do. It can process more information in 1 second than you or I will see in our entire lives. And that's its true power. Not intelligence, as we know it, but amplification. This is key. The goal isn't to replace you, it's to be your co-pilot. It's the next step. We had the calculator for math. Now, we've got the calculator for ideas. So no, AI isn't magic. It's a tool, just like fire, the wheel, the printing press. It's the next chapter in human innovation. Built by us, trained by us, guided by us. And like any powerful tool, its impact on the world comes down to the choices we make. So it's okay to feel a little uncertain about all this, but the answer isn't fear, it's understanding. And then, shape it. Because the future isn't written by machines, it's written by people, by minds like yours. Thanks for watching. If you're curious about the future of AI, hit subscribe, and let's explore it, 1x at a time.